Hello, my name is Diana Marcela. I am a student of the University Militar Nueva Granada. Next, I will talking about Michelle Obama. Michelle Obama is an American lawyer, author, and former First Lady of the United States. She was born in 1964 in Chicago, Illinois. She is an African American woman with dark skin, brown eyes, and black hair and wavy. She has a height of 180 meters. She currently lives with her husband Barack Obama and their two daughters in Washington, D.C. Is considered an advocate for human rights. Michelle Obama is a cheerful, simple, and sincere who fight against racism and violence. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.